Yo YouTube, this is a really quick video today to show you a block blast glitch and how to go ahead and do it in 2025. This is going to allow you to get the highest top score possible so you can absolutely dominate the game and show off to all your friends. I'm going to be showing you a glitch for block blast that's going to allow you to get the highest score. It will basically automate the process and play the game perfectly for you. And it will never stop. You can just pause it whenever you want, and it's going to allow you to get the highest score. So you need to make sure you have Block Blast installed on your phone. This is working on iOS and Android, so it doesn't matter if you're on iPhone or Android. And then you've got to open up your settings, and if you're on iPhone, make sure your low power mode is turned off because we need the background app refresh for this Block Blast glitch to be working. Next step is open up the internet. Head on over to www.wavyplugin.com. So Wavy Plugin. This is basically a modded app store, guys. They have tons of mods for some of your favorite mobile games and what have you. All you've got to do, guys, is let's get rid of this. If I can find the X, there you go. Now you've got to go to the search bar, search for Block Blast. And you're looking for the Block Blast glitch working on iOS and Android. And that is going to do it, guys. This is going to basically get you the glitch on your phone, and it's going to allow you to completely dominate the game. I've got the highest score possible. All my friends are baffled and not sure how I'm able to do it. But yeah, it's actually really easy. So you've just got to go to Wavy Plugin, guys, and find the Block Blast glitch. And yeah, that is how to do it. Super easy. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Subscribe to my channel if you did. Smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.